Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to Animation and Education. When thinking of learning methods, what are the first things that come to your mind? Reading, writing, other traditional methods? How about animation? Many people are visual learners, so why shouldn't animation be used within learning? The experiment. The LARS team of Lauren, Rebecca, Zima and Sidra designed and carried out an experiment. The aim of the experiment was to find out whether participants experienced enjoyment from watching animation, retained information from the animation, or if the different genders responded differently to animation. 12 participants, 6 male, 6 female, were divided into 4 groups of 3. Group 1, female animation group, and Group 3, the male animation group, were asked to watch an animated recipe on how to make guacamole. Click the video to watch the animation. Group 2, female control group, and Group 4, male control group, were given the same recipe but in a written format. After each participant was finished reading and writing the recipe, they were given a task to select the correct ingredients from the recipe from a list of ingredients. This was to test retention of knowledge in the participants and see how the different genders performed. We then conducted interviews with the participants. A selection of ingredients were laid out on a table for participants to select the ones contained in the recipe, 8 correct and 5 false. The animation groups. 5 out of 6 got all the ingredients correct. The control group, only 1 out of the 6 participants got all the ingredients correct. The animation groups, 100% of participants enjoyed the animation. And in the control groups, only 2 participants enjoyed the written instructions. The genders. In the animation groups, 1 and 3, the female group performed better than the male. And in the control groups, the males performed the best. Did they learn anything? 10 out of 12 participants perceived that they actually learned something, even though 50% of the participants got the answers wrong. So what have we learned from the research? That animation has some impact on retention of knowledge, that the participants who experienced animation enjoyed it and perceived that they'd learned something, and that females performed marginally better when showing the animation. With animation having a positive effect on participants, some students could really benefit from animation within university.